Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. So Canva has been rolling up a lot of amazing stuff. They did not start today, they've been doing it for quite a while now. And today I'm going to be showing you one of those awesome stuff that Canva has been rolling out. If you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so and like if you find any of my tutorials helpful. Now, today we're going to be looking at something new, like I said before. Now, let's go over to create a design, and I'm going to select custom size and let's use 4000 by 4000. So we have our dimension set 4000 by 4000. Today, I am going to be showing you about the Canva gradient. Okay, before you could only apply gradient to before you could not apply gradient at all. It just comes in form of elements. Then Canva introduced the option where you can apply gradient colors on shapes, and people we were still not satisfied. And then Canva gave us something new, which is applying gradient to text. Now, how do we go about that? Now, come over to applications over here, that's apps, and we go all the way down to this part where we have type gradient. So click on it, and you get to see this option where okay, so here you can apply the text. What will you design today? You can edit it. So I'm going to just type in Canva. Okay, and then let me just stick with Anton. And you can change the alignment. Here is it. You can change the alignment whichever way you want, but I'm going to let me use middle alignment. And then the line height, you can just, if you want, you can increase it, but let's just stick with um let's stick with this, let's stick with 0. Okay, so let's leave it here. Now you can change the color. Just click on any of this, and you can maybe use red for this, and then this you can use green, and this you can just something like this. And see, oh, this color is not looking too beautiful, so let's just change it, switch it up. Wow, so there's so many, you can apply it. There's so many colors, and it's just showing here. And you can always reset position. So we use this, and then we use add to design. Here you have it. Okay, so let's delete this and try something else. Let's say hello, use Anton, and then we have our tree. Click on this and make it, yes, use orange. Click on this, something like this. Click on this, still similar, and there you have it. Hello. Now you can click add to design, and it's going to show. So this is it. You can play around with this. This is really nice. See how beautiful and colorful this looks. Hello. You can just keep on repeating it. Sorry, this works best for captions. So you cannot edit the text here. You can only edit it from this area here. You cannot edit it on the actual design just here. So that's it for, please take to the end, there's something else I would like to show you. So that's it for text, how to apply gradient colors to text. Now let's move on. Hope you understand this. Okay, please drop a like or drop a comment if there's something that you don't understand about this particular tutorial. So I'm going to delete this and show you the next thing that I want to show you. Now, this is a frame. Remember, I made a video about the new Canva frames and how amazing it really looks. I also showed you how you can just work with it. Now, this is another frame. I'm going to apply the corner rounding to it. So you see, it's giving it a different feel. Now, you can also apply gradients on frames. Isn't that amazing? Now, click on border style and you can increase it. So we have this, we have our border. Now let me first of all apply an image to the frame. What should I use? Which should I use? Um, Let me just use this. Let me use this. So now, not give me what I want. Let's try this. Okay, too much noise. So we have our frame here. Remember, you can always enhance the image. Click on the border color. So this is the photo color. This is normal default colors. Now you can apply gradient colors to the borders. See, let's try it. So you see this, this, this. See how beautiful it looks. So that's the second thing I wanted to show you today, how you can apply gradient colors to both text and also to the border of frames. Yes. So I'm going to be sharing another video later soonest. And you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a like, and invite others to come and learn, because there's a whole lot of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you would find helpful, and it's going to help you step up your Canva game. My name is Kelechi Osinokore, and I am a Canva expert. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.